Hi students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope all of you are well. I am fine by the grace of Allah. Again I am telling about me. My name is Tania, senior teacher for LPS school from campus 4, and I am back with the new topics. Students, you know, we have been taking online classes for a few days because we are passing epidemic time. That's why we can't take class. We can't go to school and we can't take class. So even so, for your convenience, we are taking online classes. We hope you find it useful. So come to the point, let's start. Students, in the last class I have given some spelling from the new story The Lark's Nest. I hope you have learnt at your home. Now today I'll give word meaning and mixed sentence from the story, okay? And of course we can write on your copy. So let's start. The name of the story is The Lark's Nest. What is the name of the story? The Lark's Nest. Okay. The topic is word meaning. There are given some words and I am going to tell you about the meaning. Okay. Number 1, hay. Hay means dried grass, shukno ghash or khor jetake bole. So hay means dried grass. Okay. Number 2, shape. Shape means figure. Shape means figure. Akar. Okay. Shape means figure. Now number 3, bill. Already I have said what is the meaning that bill means pakhi throat, the beak of a bird. Bill means the beak of a bird, pakhi throat. And number 4, wisp. Wisp means a small bundle of straw or hay. A small bundle of straw or hay. That means shukno khor ba shukno ghash ba khorer ekta ati jetake bole bundle. Okay, number 5, lay, produce eggs. Lay means produce eggs. That means dim para. And now number 6, tuft. Tuft means a bunch of grass. Tuft means a bunch of grass. Ekguchcho ghash. Ekguchcho ghash. Okay. Again I am telling to you, hay, dried grass, shape, figure, bill, the beak of a bird, wisp, a small bundle of straw or hay. Number 5, lay, produce eggs. Number 6, tuft, a bunch of grass. Okay, now make sentence. Okay, I have told you the word meaning. Now I am giving to make sentence. There are 4 words. Okay, and listen one thing. You can make yourself. No need to write whatever I am giving to you. Just you can make yourself. It is not essentially whatever I am giving. Just you can make yourself the make sentences. Okay. There are given some words and you have to make sentence with this using these words. Okay. Space. Space. Give me a space. Space means jaiga. Amake ekটু jaiga dao. Okay. Number 2. Stay. Stay means থাকা, অবস্থান করা. Stay with us. আমাদের সাথেই থাকো. Okay, number 3, forward. সামনের দিকে. I'm looking forward. I'm looking forward. আমি সামনেই খুঁজছি, দেখছি. Okay, number 4, grass. The cow lives on grass. Grass means ঘাস. Everybody knows that. The cow lives on grass. Okay, and you can write the grass is green. Okay, you can write that. Students, again I am telling to you the word meaning and make sentence. Listen to me carefully, and of course you have to write on your copy and you have to learn that. Okay. Hay, dried grass, shape, figure, bill, the beak of a bird, wisp, a small bundle of straw or hay, lay, produce eggs. Number 6, last one, tuft, a bunch of grass. Now make sentence. Space, give me a space. Number 2, stay, stay with us. Number 3, forward, I am looking forward. Number 4, grass, the cow lives on grass. So students, I have discussed about these topics, word meaning and make sentence, and of course again I am telling to you, of course you have to learn at your home because you are now free. So don't waste your time. Okay, just Read properly, learn properly, and stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.